questions or anything you want to ask me? Yes. What am I going to do with you? I leave Louisville tonight and have a show, so. Cleveland, I just get there. But if I would have had time, maybe. Love you too. Yes. Most places all of mine.
That's a good question.
It's a good question. Most like.
That's a great question.
Right now.
The Dan Cannon song?
Right now, Roman's Revenge. Have you heard it? Roman's Revenge. It's like a Nicki Minaj new song with Eminem. It's really cool. Look it up. Yes. No, can't ruin it. Can't ruin it. What? When? What? She said she listened. She said she listened to Pray.
It's on YouTube.
It is?
Apparently.
Why? 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 That's stupid. Yeah, that's dumb. They should like not. I'm gonna call somebody. Make some streams. All right.
Breaking news up here.
Hello. Yeah. Well, I just found out that there's a clip of Prey on the internet.
Whoever he's talking to answers very quickly.
Who approved this?
It's him.
What?
He's talking to this gentleman right here.
I'm not talking to you. Well, maybe I should just ask God why. Hey, God. You know, I don't know. Hey, Dave. How are you, Dave? Anyway, I'm just talking to God. If you can excuse me for a couple months. No, you're Jesus, but God. Yeah. So, God. I was just wondering, you know, no one told me they were releasing this song, Pray, on the internet, you know, kind of bugged me. So, just wondering, like, if you could help me, you know, control my anger. What do you think, God? Did I just stump God?
Wait a minute. Is this really God?
It is God. What?
Oh,
That's definitely not
Santa
God.
Claus?
It's not. Gordon, is that you? Gordon. What's up, Gordon?
Everybody say what up to the house.
Alright, so, we're gonna do 3 more questions. So raise your hand high. Yes.